Hi, welcome to Squarebucks. May I take your order? Hi, can I get a small Americano? Sure. Will that be all? Yes. Okay. That'll be $3.50. Cash, debit, or credit? Debit. Okay. Insert your card and enter your PIN, please. Would you like your receipt? Yes, please. Hi, can I take your order? Yeah, can I get one large Americano and one small latte? Sure. Would that be all? Yep, that's it. Okay, that'll be $9. Hello, what can I do for you? I'd like a medium strawberry banana smoothie. Will that be all? Yes. Okay, that'll be $5. Welcome. What can I get you? Do you have hot chocolate? We sure do. Great. Can I get a small hot chocolate then? Coming right up. That'll be $2.50. Hello, can I help you? This is my first time here. What's your most popular drink? I would say it's our iced caramel macchiato. Sounds good. Let me get that in a large. Hi, may I help you? Yeah, what's good here? I would say it's our iced caramel macchiato. Okay, can I get two of those in a small? Hi, may I help you? I've never been here before. What do you recommend? I recommend the iced caramel macchiato. Okay, I'll get that. Hi, can I take your order? I'll just have a small coffee, please. Sure. Would you like sugar and cream? No thanks, just black. Hi, may I help you? Yes, one small latte, please. Okay, may I have your name? James. Okay, that'll be $4, please. I have a small latte for James. That's me. Can I get some extra napkins? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, can I get some more napkins? Sure. Here you go. Excuse me, do you have any napkins? Yes, they're right over there. Excuse me, can I get another straw? Sure. Here you go. Excuse me, can I get a straw? Sure. They're right there behind you. Excuse me, can I get an extra bag? Sure. Here you go. Excuse me, where's your restroom? They're down that hall and to your left. Oh, okay, thanks. Do you have free refills? Yes, but just for our house coffee. Can I get a refill? Sure. What were you drinking? Just regular coffee. Do you have free refills? Sorry, we don't. Excuse me. I'm sorry, but I spilled my drink over there. Oh, don't worry about it. Just leave it. We'll clean it up. In the meantime, would you like a refill? That would be great. Thank you. Excuse me. Are you in line? Yeah. Excuse me. Are you in line? No. Go ahead. Excuse me. Is this seat taken? No. Excuse me. Is this seat available? I'm sorry, but no. I'm waiting for a friend. Excuse me. Can I borrow this chair? Sure. Take it. Excuse me. Are you using this chair? Nope. It's all yours. Excuse me. Can I get a cup of water? Sure. Ice or no ice? No ice, please. Excuse me. Can I get this table cleaned, please? It's a little dirty. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Sure, no problem. I'll be right there. Excuse me, what are your business hours? We're open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Saturday and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sundays. Excuse me, what time do you open? We open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Saturday and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sundays. Excuse me, what time do you open? We open at 7 Monday to Saturday and at 8 on Sundays. Excuse me, what time do you close today? We close at 10 p.m. today. Are you open on Sundays? Yes, we open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sundays. Are you open tomorrow? Sorry, we're closed on Christmas, but we do open on the 26th. Is there something else I can do? Yeah, it would be nice if you could clean the tables and chairs. Sure thing.